Hello.
Hello.
Hello, teacher. Are you ready? Yes?
Good.
Good. Can you show teacher where is sheep? Sheep. Yes, good. Where is horse? Horse. Yes. Where is rooster? Good. Where is pig? Good. Where is goat? Good. Where is cow? Good job. Where is hen? Yes. And where is duck? Good. Where is goat? Goat. Ba, ba. Yes, very good. Okay, now, can you tell teacher what animal is this?
It's a dog.
What does a dog say? Dog say? Good. What animal is this?
It's a pig.
What does a pig say? Pig say? Wink? Wink, wink. What animal is this?
It's a duck.
What does a duck say?
Quack, quack.
Good. What animal?
It's a cat.
What does a cat say?
Meow, meow.
Very good. What animal is
It's
it?
a horse.
What does a horse say? Horse say? Neigh. What animal is it?
It's a sheep.
What does a sheep say? Sheep say? Meh, meh. Okay. What animal is this?
It's a rooster.
Good. What does a rooster say? Cockle? Yes. And what animal?
A cow.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
Yes. And
It's a cow.
good.
It's a hen.
And what animal is
It's
this?
a man.
And
It's a chicken.
and last
It's
one.
a rabbit.
High five. Boom. Bye bye.